everyone, I'm Abby, your relationship accountant. I help retail traders maximize their tax savings, and I teach traders how to trade under a business instead of their social security number. Today, we are going to actually discuss a very high topics. I get so many questions in my DM about this topics. Do I have to pay taxes when I'm not a profitable trader? Well, before we actually get to that topic, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video, okay? All right, great, let's get started. Do you have to pay taxes when you're not a profitable trader? Let's think about this question real quick. Did you make money? No? Well, do you usually pay taxes on money you didn't make? No. So, realistically, if you did not make money in the stock market, when you receive your 1099-B, it is literally going to actually have parentheses in the bottom. It will literally tell you if you are profitable or not. So IRS gives you an opportunity to write off your net loss, which is $3,000. So you can only write off $3,000 off that loss up to 7 years. Okay, so you can actually roll it over up to 7 years. Will your broker give you a form if you're not profitable? Yes. So many traders, they didn't make money in the stock market and they feel like they do not have to complete Form 8949. That's incorrect. You still actually have to complete Form 8949. You still have to put your numbers in your tax return. Okay. But it's also very important. You want to make sure that you verify your bases, you verify your wash sales, and you verify if you were profitable or not. All right. So if you weren't profitable, you know exactly what to do. All right. What will you owe in taxes if you made gains, if you had a loss? Well, if you had any gains, remember that you are going to actually be taxed on capital gains. So it depends on where you trade long terms, where you trade short terms. Remember, if your trades are long or short, you are going to actually be taxed based on your overall net income. All right, so that includes whatever else income you have. That could be your W-2, or you probably have another side hustle, or if trading was your full-time job, then you know if trading is all you did for 2022 and you had a loss, unfortunately you're only able to write off $3,000. But if you were trading under an entity, which in our last video we talked about, if you were trading under an entity and you had elected mark-to-market election, you would have been able to write off the whole amount. Now we will dig a little bit deeper about mark-to-market election, because the benefits of mark-to-market election, one of the best benefit of mark-to-market election is that it allows you to write off the whole total net loss. So you don't necessarily have to do 3,000 up to 7 years. So if my net loss was 20,000 for the year, I'm able to write off the whole net loss. And we'll talk a little bit more deep about mark-to-market in our next episode. But if you did not have if you had a loss, do you have to complete your tax return? That is a yes. Should I trade under an LLC when I'm not a profitable trader? No. You should not be trading under an entity if you're not a profitable trader. It's kind of like saying, I have a business and I'm not profiting that business. If you're not profiting that business, most likely it's a hobby, not a business, right? Because we are in business to make money. So if you are running a business and you're not profitable, if you are a trader and you're not profitable, then trading under an entity may not be the priority. The priority should be mastering your craft, learning how to trade, understanding your technicals, understanding your fundamentals. Once you start being profitable, and when I say profitable, I'm saying start making some money in the stock market. I'm not talking about making $100 a day. No, ma'am. I'm talking about profitable, consistent profit in the stock market, that's when we'll start looking at, okay, I'm making enough money to where I'm looking at a high tax liability. So now I need to look at what strategies that can actually help me lower my net income, so then I could be in a lower tax bracket. So should you trade under an LLC when you're not profitable? The answer is no. All right. Remember too, just like in any business, right? There's seasonality. You're going to have some up days. You're going to have some down days. Like, say, for an example, in my industry, our best season is between January till May. Now, in your industry, your best season could be fall or it could be summer. So even in your trading days, you're going to have good days and you're going to have bad days. You're going to have a good season and you're going to have bad season. So you may not be profitable now, but look forward to be profitable so you can take advantage of those tax benefits and start trading under an entity. Now remember, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate, don't be shy. Leave the comments below. I will definitely respond to your question. And a lot of my content are actually from you traders with all of your questions. And also visit us in all of our social media. We are in Instagram, we are in LinkedIn, and we are in Twitter. I'll see you guys next time.